what you do. I'm alright. And it's no matter who you screw.
Say what?
If it ain't me and you can still be alright. Just don't wanna fight. Out of mind, out of sight. But why continue with the lies? Why continue acting trite?
Cause who am I to judge? Who am I to judge what I do? All the shit I put you through, you still remain my wife. Ooh, you know.
No,
this you make no sacrifice. Ain't that right? Who am I to judge? What I did, all the shit I done. Na 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 na. No, I'm not alright. No matter what you do, still on sight. On my life, or on my nights, till I promise I'm a cop, fuck a kike and dyke. And if you don't like it, then fuck you too. It is what it is, it do what it do. You feel me, you smell me, ain't shit you could do to me, it ain't shit you could tell me. Like fuck it, tell them to impale me, crucify me. They'll eat, and the wealthy, the ones who always eat, no problem having sleep. You can bet that they stay healthy. Smell me, ain't nothing you can tell me. Let them crucify me, let them come and pale me. You smell me, ain't nothing you can do, ain't nothing you can tell me. You smell me,